Have you ever gone for a walk out in nature while listening to a podcast? Do you scroll through social media every time you're bored? Check your phone while you're brushing your teeth? Or do you multitask by doing Pilates or yoga while catching up on Netflix? And then when we finally show up for ourselves at a workout class, at a gym or studio, what do? They turn on music. Don't get me wrong, I love listening to music. It can feel fun, it can feel motivating, it can feel like it's making the workout easier. So why would anyone say, hey, don't listen to music during your Pilates workout? If you've ever walked into a Pilates studio that doesn't play music and thought, wow, this is kind of boring without any music, hear me out for a second, because I'm going to tell you why you should never listen to music during your Pilates workout. Pilates is a mind-body exercise. When you're walking or jogging, you don't have to think about how you're moving as much. Your body can do it on autopilot. Not to say a quiet walk or jog isn't a good idea too, but in Pilates there's so much more to think about, all at the same time. Coordinating the movement sequence, finding control and precision, connecting your breath to the movement, listening to your teacher's cues, tuning into how your body actually feels, spotting the little corrections you need to make. And music is just one more thing pulling your attention. If your brain is half listening to the beat, the lyrics, the drop, or the podcast in the background, it can't fully focus on those Pilates fundamentals. You miss the nuance, you lose the quality, and you start going through the motions instead of feeling them and connecting on a deeper level. And that deeper level is how you will reap the benefits of the Pilates method. You might still gain a few of the benefits from just moving with music, but if you really want to experience the real deal and know what Pilates is all about, you have to go all in and experience it from the true mind-body connection that is required. By taking the time and space to really focus on your body and how it feels, it becomes like a movement meditation. By staying present and aware through movement, so your body is never on autopilot. When you're not distracted by external noise, you can notice your breathing pattern. Are you slowly inhaling and then exhaling for even longer with a slight pause at the end of that exhale? Or are you breathing hard and fast? Feel the subtle shifts in your spine, your alignment from your left to right side. Sense where tension is holding on and where it's releasing. And in a world where we're constantly bombarded from every direction, Pilates can be your quiet time, your chance to unplug, tune in, and reconnect with your body. You move with your breath, not the beat. The original classical Pilates exercises created by Joe Pilates himself were designed to coordinate beautifully with your breath. There are specific breathing exercises built into the work, and these exercises are actually training you how to move with your breath, not against it. This takes time to perfect. You need to feel the rhythm of your inhale and exhale. Let your movement be driven by that internal rhythm. Notice where your breath speeds up and how to train it to slow down. Or are you holding your breath when the moves get challenging? Feel your breathing muscles assisting your movement and supporting your spine. If you're listening to music, something else starts to drive your tempo. The song. The beat trains your body to move at its pace, not yours. And here's the thing, we all have a different internal tempo. Some people move quickly with ease, while others need a slower, more deliberate pace. And while we all should be aiming for a slow and light breathing pattern, the length of your inhale and exhale might differ. Pilates is not about keeping up with a playlist. It's about discovering your own rhythm, your own timing, your own control. And you will never fully feel that if you're hijacking your tempo with music. So what happens when you turn the music off and just let Pilates be what it is? Your focus improves. You listen more closely to your teacher's cues, and your corrections become sharper and more precise. You gain a deeper body awareness. You can tune into subtle sensations. Does your rib cage flare? Does your neck tense up? Does your hip shift, or is it stable? And in turn, you'll gain better control and precision. Your breath movement coordination improves. You learn what your true tempo feels like, and by learning to breathe better, you will send more oxygen to your muscles and brain, giving you more energy, better recovery time post-workout, and just improve your mood. You'll create a strong mind-body connection. Instead of zoning out to a playlist, you're actually present with your body, your thoughts, and your energy. That's where the real transformation happens. It's a built-in meditation practice and a built-in breathwork session, not just a workout. If feeling the rhythm of your breath and how to coordinate your breath with your movement is a new concept for you, I'll link my Breathe and Flow mat workout video up here and down below in the description. In this workout, I'll give you breathing cues for all the beginner mat work exercises so you can slowly move through the sequence and learn how to coordinate your breath with your movement. And if you want to go even deeper into the Classical Pilates method and learn to create an independent practice at home, not just following along with workout videos, and truly reap the full benefits, come join me in the Contrology Hub, a monthly membership program designed to take your home workouts to the next level. From exclusive tutorial videos in the foundation zone, in-app feedback on your form in the progression zone, or private virtual sessions in the mastery zone to help you create true independence in your workouts. So you can just tune in and really listen, not to the music, but to your body. Click the link in the description below to head over to my website and check out all of my offerings. If this video resonated with you, hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. And let me know in the comments, have you ever tried a music-free Pilates class? What did you notice?